What's that?
Okay. The seahorse. This. Yeah. Oh. That's twice. Why is it twice? Why is it twice? Oh. That's twice.
Can you find the cows? Where's the cows?
Oh, I see it. Clothes. I want new clothes.
What does a cow say?
Moo. Moo.
Moo!
Moo. Moo.
Where's the other cow?
I don't see
Where's other cow?
it. Toddlers. Let's go hiding. Two cows.
Two cows.
Moo. Moo. You. That's eight cows.
Can you find the pigs? Where's the pigs?
Yeah.
One pig. Two pigs. What does a pig say?
Queen, queen.
Oh, oink, oink.
Queen, queen. Drink. One drink. Chickens.
Can you find all the chickens? Where's the chickens? Those are turkeys. What does a turkey say? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Mommy has big hearts.
Is that a horse? The horse, he says, nay.
Duck.
But a chicken, what does a chicken say? What does chicken say?
The chicken's legs. Big as a house. The big yes.
Do you want to put the chickens in their house? Where's the chicken's house? What does the rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Two roosters. You want to feed them? Mmm. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. So the roosters have their food. Oops. There. Can you give the cows their food? Yum, 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 yum. Yummy food. Can you find the puppy dogs? Where's the puppies? There's one puppy. Where's the other puppy? Two puppies. One, two.
Hey, puppy dogs.
What does the puppy say? Can you find the geese? Where's the geese? There's one goose and a chicken. And oh look, a kitty cat. Meow. Meow. Let's make the cows a place to live. There. The cows have a place to live, Luce. Can you put the cows in their house? Where's the other cow? Is it behind you? Is he hiding? Where's the other cow? There, put him in his house. Okay, let's clean up all the animals. All done. Put the roosters away. Put the chickens away. Clean up the geese. Clean up the horses. Clean up the pigs. Oink, oink, oink. Bye, Lucy. See you later.
Bye. Bye, boys.
There. All done.